Today we are really presenting our product offensive of e-mobility, and there we have everything from the Minimo, which is kind of an urban micro-mobility project. We have the Cupra Formentor, which is also a plug-in hybrid vehicle, which shows like more the high-performance model. And we have the el-Born, where we are really proud also to announce it today, because it's actually our first vehicle which will be put on the MEB platform of the group, which is basically the state-of-the-art technology you are going to have in electromobility.
I personally think it's only possible to sell a car when the car is sexy from the outside. And we made a really sexy car with this el-Born. And equipped with the advanced technology of an electric drivetrain with a big battery of 62 kilowatt hours, which is placed in the floor of the car, which can be recharged up to 47 minutes to 80%. This car is really good equipped, and it's possible to drive 420 kilometers with this drivetrain.
I think micro-mobility or urban mobility is a very important topic. We see more and more traffic restrictions in urban areas, so I think it's a task of the automotive brand or of an automotive group to come up with solutions in order to improve mobility in urban areas. That's why we have developed a vehicle which has a very reduced footprint, only 3.1 square meters compared to 7 point something of a normal vehicle, which actually makes it easier to park this vehicle. Especially we haven't so much thought about the final customer, but also about mobility sharing users or mobility sharing platforms. So car sharing companies actually which have very high operation costs. And we have done the perfect purpose-designed vehicle for mobility services with a battery swapping system.
This is the spearhead of the offensive of SEAT, going in the direction of electromobility. As you see also here, we have some other cars. So really, we are kicking off our offensive by selling electrified cars up to an urban two-seater, to a plug-in hybrid car, which is really performant. And so we are very proud to go in this direction now.
We have a younger customer target group than the VW group in general. Our customers are 10 years younger, but also within our competitive environment, our customers are younger. We have analyzed that over 70% of our new car buyers are actually looking on connectivity functions. Therefore, for us, it was very important, and we were one of the first brands to introduce things like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, because we actually have a very, very high usage rate of these ecosystems within our vehicles.